All right, YouTube, doing a overview review on this here impact driver, Dewalt impact driver. I got, my dad picked this up for me. Missing many tools here on the homestead, but the chainsaw really helped. That was the wife's dad, the father-in-law sent that out, and then my dad, he knew I needed to get me a kind of do-it-all drill around here. I have a Ryobi, I guess you just call it a handheld, home drill. So if I needed to drill a hole or something like that, I can get that done. But I did not have an impact driver, which when I was running the resort, I used the impact driver 90 to 95% of the time working there. And for 90 to 95% of the tasks around the homestead, I'm gonna be using this here, direct impact here. And so I just wanted to do a little overview review of what it looks like. I mean, probably seen a million of them. There's a million videos of them, but this one is mine. I need to get another battery. That'd be the next step. Got the package with the carrying case, the charger. Charger's already getting a little dusty. Charger, and then I went and picked up a set of Dewalt bits, impact bits. I believe these are impact bits. That's what they said on the package. But it's funny because I already broke one, and the whole time I've been using impact bits, I had a Craftsman impact bit case over at the resort. Never broke one. I was driving this thing super hard. This thing was hot as hell, and I was cranking them down. I had to put in a lot of screws. I was building a shower and broke the tip off of one. Maybe I'll put it in the end of this video or something. I got it laying around here. I thought about sending it to Dewalt. Maybe I'll get lucky and they'll send me a whole new case. That kind of customer service, you never know. But these are made in America. They tout that. I think it says made in America with global parts. Sounds better, right? But got to get the impact driver set. To me, they work a lot better. If it's not an impact set, they strip out. So I've been using an older model of this Dewalt for almost 3 years now, and now I got my own. And like I said, the only thing I gotta do is get another battery. The battery lasts pretty long, but I was going hard. I was putting a lot of screws and things, working it out, breaking it in, and before you knew it, I needed to charge it. So if I had another battery, I could have swapped it out, thrown that one on the charger. That's the only thing I really need to do still, but it's a great value for what you get with these. You spend a little extra, you get 2 batteries. They don't come with these. I haven't seen them come with the actual impact set, but this is one of the cheaper impact sets. I've seen they have a more expensive one, so I don't know if that's where the quality, maybe where I broke that bit, maybe, but maybe I was just running it hard as hell, like I know I was, and broke it. So I'll take a picture of that, or I'll put a little snippet in the end of this video. But overview, review, I've been using these things a long time. These batteries are smaller on these newer versions. They're lithium ion. I don't remember what the other ones were, the fatter, chunkier batteries. I don't know if they were the same thing, but total 5 stars on Dewalt products. The cordless products, the corded products are great too. I mean, their drills will rip your arm off, them damn corded drills. Yeah, my overview review, 5 stars all the way across the board. It's a great product. It's made in America, and it's vital to getting stuff done around the homestead, where you can't just pull out a generator and plug up to your generator to get juice. I mean, if you got a shop built and you can plug up and do all those kind of things, you don't even have to worry about batteries. But out in the field where it counts, these things are badass, and this thing's a lifesaver. I needed this. I need this to get done a lot of what I'm getting done. So that's what I got.